and QF800 automatic capsules opening machine produced by our company is provided with a variety of functions, such as capsule aluminum plastic plate removal, capsule separation, capsule powder separation, recycling and storage. These functions can be completed by a single machine and a single operator, not only to solve the pollution problem caused by cross-production, but also improve efficiency of medicine recycling. It is currently the only multipurpose capsule powder recycling machine in China. The ding is compact, medicine contact parts are made of stainless steel and aluminum, also in line with GMP standards. Therefore, the machine is the best choice for capsule preparation manufacturers. For more details, please feel free to contact us.